guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another interesting thing, something that will help you organize your wardrobe. Well, not exactly like the things that you wear outside or anything. When it comes to the things like our undergarments and things that we wear at home, we don't usually keep it in an organized manner, and that is why we tend to forget things that we have or take time while finding such thing. So I bought this thing. So these are like organizer kind of thing. They come 4 a piece. I got it from Amazon. I'll link that in the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. A mere subscribe won't mean a big thing on your part. It's absolutely free, but it will mean a lot to me. So please do so. A small disclaimer, this is mainly based on undergarment organizing. So for the men out here, bye bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, please stop watching. And for my female audience, keep on watching. And without wasting any more time, let's move on to the product. So this is what the 4 organizing drawers look like. This part of the drawers are made of cardboard, and here there's a chain. Okay, they don't have covers. There are also options in Amazon with covers. If you want, you can take that. And now I'll show you my wardrobe. So the stuff that we wear outside, that is almost in an organized manner, but this underwear section is where I need help. So I have cleaned out the entire space, and this is the amount of clothes that were in it. It's all like the things I wear at home, nothing that I wear outside, but I want to organize these things and keep it in these. So let me start that. So this is the amount of space that these things will be taking. There's a slight space here, I can use that too. So I'm planning on keeping all my undergarments in these two. Let me do that and get back to you. If you remember, Zivame had come up with this high waist panties. Well, I had bought like 3 of these, but these are very uncomfortable. I never wear them. So I've decided to cut off that part and just use it as a normal panty. At least in that way it will be used, because this was not getting used. And anybody thinking of getting these, please don't buy these. These are not really comfortable. The elastic here is not strong enough to tuck your belly in, so stay away from this. Okay, so let me show you guys my progress so far. As you can see, this container is full. This has some more space, and there's space there that I can fill, and it looks pretty clean, organized, and I can see everything. I can pick up the thing I want, but with the downside that so much thing was only in that drawer. Now I'll have to figure out a way to put this thing somewhere. When we were stuffing things here, we could fit in a whole lot of things, but now since it's organized, I'll have to keep these things somewhere else. So I have sectioned it here. These are my clothing items. These are the bands that I cut off from the panties. These are my boxers and more underwear. So, and you know what those things are? Those are the urban clap gowns that they give. So I keep them. I do not throw them, because if you're applying some hair mask or face mask or something like that, you can wear those. You won't get those nasty things on your clothes and ruin it. So I got this organizer from Amazon, and it is only for rupees 549. So at this price range, it is an wow product. So I am back and I am done with my undergarment organization. Everything's inside now. I'll show you guys. So all the undergarments are inside. The only thing remaining are the clothing items, which I need to keep somewhere else. So here's a look of my organized shelf. I have used that space at the back also, because there were a lot of things, but now I know what is where, so I don't have to struggle to find anything. So this is how I organized my undergarments. If you're searching for something similar, you can go check out the product that I have put in the description box down below. I'll catch you guys as usual on Friday. So till then, bye.